Assalamualaikum and happy good morning. How are you children? Are you fine? Okay. क्या सबने नाश्ता कर लिया है और बहुत सारी पावर आ गई है? Okay, show me your power. Yes, yes, that's good. Now please sing with me. Roly poly, up, up, up. Roly poly, down, down, down. La 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 la. La 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 la. Roly poly, in. Roly poly, out, out, out. La 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 la. La 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 la. Roly poly, right, right, right. Roly poly, left, left, left. La 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 la. La 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 la. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. La 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 la. La 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 la. Again. Roly poly, big, big, big. Roly poly, small, small, small. La 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 la. Oh yes. आपको पता है आज हम बहुत मजे का काम करने लगे हैं. Look at the board. What are these children? These are two circles. And look down here. These are two stars. And these are two trees. And these are butterflies. And these are fish. And look at this side of the board. These are two numbers. And these are two triangles. Now look at the board carefully, children. You see that there are two sizes of the pictures. These are same pictures, but they have two sizes. This circle is big and this is small circle. And this is a big star and this is a small star. This is a big tree, and this is a small tree. This is a big butterfly and this is a small butterfly. This is a big fish and this is a small fish. This is a big number 3 and this is a small number 3. This is a big triangle and this is a small triangle. Now children, show me your hand like this. Yes, this is my hand and you look at your hand now. My hand is big and your hand is small. Yes, my hand is big and your hand is small. Now I will show you so many things and you will help me to find out the big and the small. Now look at this side. Here is written big and what is written here? Small. Yes. Now see. Children, I have two buckets. Oh yes, look at these cute buckets. And tell me, is this big bucket or small bucket? Yes, say loudly. Yes, this is a big bucket. And I'm putting here on the big side. And this is a small bucket. Yes, this is a small bucket. And I will place it here. Now look at these two cars. Oh wow. One is red car and one is green car. Is this car big or small? Yes? Yes, this car is big. And I am going to put it here. And this is the small one. And yes, this is a small car. Now see, these are two rings. Is this a small or a big? Yes, this is a small one. This is a small ring and this ring is big. Yes, this is a big ring. Now look at these two cups. Is this a big cup or a small cup? Yes? Say loudly please. Oh yes, this is a small cup. And this cup is the big cup. Yes, this is a big cup. Oh wow, look at these two teddy bears. Which one is the big one? Yes, this brown one is the big one and this blue one is the small one. This is the big teddy bear and this one is the small teddy bear. Yes. Now look at these two ducks. This is a mummy duck and this is a baby duck. This is a small duck and this is a big duck. Yes. Small duck and the big duck. Oh yes. See children, these are big objects. And now look at this side. These are small objects. मज़ा आ रहा है ना? Okay. Now I'm going to show more objects. These are two mobile phones. Which one is big? Yes, this one is big. You are right. And which one is small? Yes, this white one is small. I am putting here. Yes. Now children, what are these? Yes, these are combs. And which one is the small one? This blue one is the small one. And which one is the big one? Yes, this pink one is the big one. Yes. Today we will do page number 27. On the top line, your mama will write down the date and the day. Now put your pointer finger here and read big and small. Yes. Now read circle the small one and color the big one in each box. Yes. What are these? These are two teddy bears. You will circle the small teddy bear and color the big one. What are these? These are fish and you will circle the small fish and you will color the big one. These are dolls. Please circle the small doll and color the big one doll. And what are these? These are drums. Circle the small drum and color the big one. Now put your pointer finger here. Draw a big circle. Yes, here you will draw a big circle. Circle goes round and round, round and round. It has no corner. And now put your pointer finger here. Draw a small triangle. A triangle has three corners and draw a small triangle like this. Yes, 1, 2, 3. Thank you children. This was all about big and small. Now see you tomorrow with a new lesson. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Tata. Bye bye.